Hello and welcome to Make It Rosie's beginner crochet class. I'm going to walk through some basics, so if you need to look at these at home, please do. I also find that TikTok and YouTube and Instagram are great places for tons of tutorials, so if my teaching style and my crochet style doesn't work for you, you can definitely find one that does. So first off, we are going to start by learning single crochet. And we always start single crochet with a slip knot. There's a million ways of doing a slip knot, but one of the easiest ones I've found is to wrap the yarn around two fingers and across. Take your crochet hook, go under the bottom one, grab and pull. And I promise you, that is the hardest part. So now we have a slip knot. You can make it bigger or smaller. And we're going to start our single crochet by chaining. So to chain, we're going to go under the yarn to grab a loop and pull it through. Under the yarn, grab a loop, pull it through. Under the yarn, grab a loop, pull it through. I'm going to go ahead and chain a few. And I have, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're going to say 8 chains, and that is going to be the base of what I'm working on, which in this case is the stem of a little pumpkin. To go ahead and do the first row, I'm going to chain one more to help me turn, and now I'm ready to start. So to start single crochet, which is the base of most crochet patterns and a stitch that once you do this, you can pretty much do anything, you're going to go in through that chain. So you have one loop, grab a loop and pull it through, 2 loops, grab the thread and pull it through both loops. And that is a single crochet. We'll go ahead and do that again. In through the loop, pull a loop through, 2 loops on the hook, grab the thread, pull it through both loops. In through the loop, grab the thread, pull it through, 2 loops on the hook, 2 loops on the hook, pull it through. One thing that is important when you're just starting is to count, because it is very easy to get to the end of the row and sort of add or subtract stitches without realizing. So I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is our first row of single crochet. To start our next row, we're going to turn the work around. Some people chain 1. We'll go ahead and chain 1 to turn. And now we're going to go in through both loops. You can see there's 2 loops on the hook. Same thing. So we're going to go through both loops, not 1, but 2. Got 2 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can see it can get a little confusing at the end to know how many stitches you have, which is why it's really helpful to count. Turn the work, chain 1, which just gives you a little room to keep going the other way. And now again, we're going to go through both loops, around, through, around both stitches. I'm going to do one or 2 more rows here. Chain 1 through both loops. going to go ahead and call this done. It's going to be the little stem of a pumpkin, but typically you would just, keep going single crochet until you're ready. So to finish, we're going to grab some scissors. I'm going to leave a little tail for this one to sew it up. And what I like to do to make it secure is just chain one, but pull it all the way through. And now you have a finished little square of single crochet.